I'm first gonna prime with ColourPop No Filter Concealer and Thank Me Later Eyeshadow Primer. Then, Born This Way Translucent Powder, I will set the primer. The 352 Morphe eyeshadow palette literally screams fall. The first shade I will be using is this top transition shade up here. The JH30 by Morphe. And I'll be putting that right into my crease. The JH32. And I'll be going in with this third brown shade. This one's just gonna go right into this crease area. JH40, which looks like this. I'll be going in my inner and outer corners with this outer brown shade. Like barely tapping the very tip of the brush into the space and just wiggling it around. Softly going to connect the two above in this area with just the tip. brushes are kind of similar, but this black one is the one by Morphe, the M507. I'm gonna go in with the black one. This bottom brown shade, it's like a warmish reddish brown tone. I'm gonna take this shimmer shade right here. It's the third from the top all the way to the right. And put this on the center of the eye. I'm gonna go for this maroon shade next to this one for sure. This all over. And back in with this our JH40 blending brush in that darkest shade again, and I'm just gonna go over. The Wet n Wild Mega Liner. Wiped away the extra shadows under my eyelids, then I did my face, so my brows. So now I'm going to the second brown from the top, and I'm gonna put this on the outer bottom of my eyelid, like page 40. going in with that bottom brown shade, same brush, I'm gonna put this color under on the outer spots. Before I put any mascara on, I'm going to use the Hangover Too Faced Setting Spray. JH42, which is a small eyeshadow brush. Tarte Exposed Highlight. Since there's no brow bone highlight shade in this palette, I'm going to be using the Renaissance Tempera to highlight my brow bone. So I'm then going to use the Rimmel London Nude Eyeliner on my bottom waterline. I'm then going to go in Tarte Light Camera Lashes Mascara on my bottom eyelashes. Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Mascara. Push Up by NYX.